step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste it inside here and click on create. Step 3, start promoting your affiliate link with free marketing strategies. And step number 4, make daily commissions just like this. In this video, I'm going to show you a CPA YouTube method to make $2,500 as fast as possible. Now for this method, you don't have to have any experience, money, or tech skills to start. You can be anywhere in the world. Since we're going to be using free marketing strategies, you don't need to spend any money on ads. So if you've never made a single dollar online before, I recommend you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. This channel is all about documenting my journey on how I make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're new to my channel and want to see more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so I can send you a private message every time I upload a new video. Also smash that like button below to support this channel. Now without further ado, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get started with the strategy right now. Now, step number 1 is to go over to maxbounty.com and sign up for a free account. Now, maxbounty is a CPA affiliate network that's going to allow us to promote different types of CPA offers. Now, if you're a complete beginner, that's completely okay. You can try to get accepted, but if you get rejected, that's completely okay. You can go to a network like CPA Grip or CPA Lead, sign up for an account there, and you're going to get accepted 100%. But for this video, I'm going to use maxbounty because they have a bunch of great offers, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So once you're in your maxbounty back office, scroll over to the left side down here and click on search, okay? Now this is where all the offers are located. So there's a bunch of different categories that we can pick from, you know, business opportunities, business to business, dating, downloads, email submits, sweepstakes. There's so much different options for us to pick from. And you can have CPA offers that pay for an email submit. So if somebody comes through offer, enters their email, we get paid. Or you can have a CPA offer that's going to pay us every time somebody buys something. So for this YouTube video, I have decided to go with the health niche because this niche is absolutely huge. There's so much people in the health niche. So that's why I've decided to pick this niche for this video. And I'm going to keep the geography for any country because we want to make money worldwide. Okay, so not just by targeting the United States or Australia. We want to make money from all over the world so anybody can come to our link and purchase our product. Now what you want to do is you want to sort these offers by the EPC. Now the EPC is earnings per click. This is going to give us an idea how much we can earn per click. So we want to do this from the highest to the lowest. So this is the best offer, earning per click, the first one, but this is Germany. So we want to look at something that's worldwide because we want people from all over the world to come to our product and purchase, not just from Germany or the United States. So I'm going to scroll down and let's see what's available. Okay, the iKeto diet meal plan worldwide. It has a fixed $16 per lead and a 40 cents earnings per click. So this looks pretty good. Let's check it out. So it's a personalized meal plan that will help people reach their weight loss goals and live healthier. Okay, this looks pretty good. It's an approved. This campaign does not have any daily cap. And since we're going to be using free marketing social media networks, make sure this is available. So social, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, that's perfect. Now we can use this offer and move forward. So let's build our tracking link. So now we can move on to the next step. So build tracking link, click on social, raw link. And now here you can see that we have a landing page and a keto blog landing page. So you can pick from one of these. I'm going to go with the blog. So this gives our visitors more value before they go directly to the product. So they're going to get value, content value. You know, they're going to get a simple blog or a few tips. And then from that blog, when they click a button, they're going to be redirected to the actual checkout page or the sales page. So now we're going to scroll down and pixel postback, click on URL and HTTPS. Okay, so then click on save postback and here is our link. So now we can copy this link. Now step number 3 is go to bit.ly.com and we want to shorten this URL because this URL that we have copied is long and sloppy and ugly. So go to bit.ly. So now what you want to do is click on create your first link, paste it inside here, click on create, and now add a title. So this is for us, so we know what we're promoting. So I'm going to type something like Aikido, and the bit.ly link is the link that people are going to see. Okay, so this is the link that we're going to share on social media, and this is the link that that people are going to see. So we want to type something like let's see what's here. Okay, keto diet tips. Let's see if it's available. Okay, I'm just gonna type 1, and there we go, keto diet tips 1. So this is a pretty clean link. It looks much better than this. So now we can start promoting this link and start generating traffic to our link, so we can get commissions. Now, how are we gonna do that? We're gonna be leveraging YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts are absolutely huge in this year. So basically, YouTube Shorts are 5, 10, 15-second videos that we're going to be uploading to YouTube and promoting our product. Now, don't worry, you're not going to be using your face, you're not going to be showing your face or your voice. We're going to be creating these videos 100% for free in a tool I'm going to show you. Everything is for free in this video. You don't have to spend any money. So just to show you guys what I mean is, I went to YouTube and went #short+diet, and I found this YouTube channel. And look at this, guys. He's posting videos, you know, motivational videos, weight loss videos. He's not getting much views. I mean, 100 views here, you know, 10 views, 900 views. Every single video gets different amounts of views. Okay, some video might go viral. Some video might get 5 views, just like this one. But you have to stay consistent with this method. But for example, if we click on this video, okay, let's just see. Okay, it even has an ad on it, so he's gonna make money from the ad as well. Either way, this is a short video just like this. He probably took it from TikTok. He probably downloaded it from TikTok and re-uploaded it to YouTube. So this is a simple video, okay, and he has 900 views. So let's see if he's promoting something. And he is. See this, guys, smoothie diet, 21 days rapid weight loss program. So this is the exact same offer from ClickBank. So he is promoting a ClickBank offer. So imagine from 900 people that watch this video, he doesn't even have a call to action. So this is not a very good example. But if you do this the right way, if you add value in the video, a call to action to tell people to click the link below this video, a lot of people are gonna take action and click on your link in the description. And guess what? If 100 people click on your link, 10 people might buy, you know? So that's how it works, and that's what we're gonna be using. So step number 4 is to go to canva.com. Now this is the tool that we're gonna be using to create our awesome 15-second video. So I want you to sign up for a free Canva account and go to the search bar up here and click on mobile video. Now click on create a blank mobile video, and you can scroll through these, or you can type something like diet, and it's gonna give you a few templates that you can use. So let's check this out. Okay, we can use this one, and we can also use this one. So this is our free video. Okay guys, so I want you to watch it. We're gonna be customizing this. Don't worry. Healthy food for a better life. Okay, it all looks pretty good. It's smooth. And now what we want to do is add value to this video. So to add value to this video and to entice people to click on your link in the description, go to Google and type keto diet tips. Okay, it's simple as that. Type this phrase into Google scroll down, and now you can see these 7 tips. So now we can use these tips in our video. So I'm just going to copy this tip number 1, okay? And we can close this and we can post it inside here. So in the headline, in the title, we can add top 3 keto diet tips, and here we can do hashtag number 1. So this is the first tip. And now we can actually copy this exact hashtag 1, hashtag 2, and of course we can delete this, hashtag number 3. Okay, perfect. So now let's add our tips. Minimize your carb consumption. So now this is that. We can change the font to Poppins, for example, Poppins medium, and now we can actually make this smaller so it fits inside that green box. Okay, perfect. And now here is our call to action. So here we want to add our call to action that's going to tell people to click on our website in the description. So we can go to our offer diet meal plan. We can copy this phrase. Okay. Now we can change the font, change the color. So this is gray. This is also gray. And now we want to add tip number 2. Include coconut oil in your diet. Okay. Perfect. And in tip number 3, we can do tip number 3. Ramp up your physical activity. Okay, and there it is. We can delete this again, make this a bit bigger if you want to, just like that. And there is our 3 tips. Now let's watch the video. Okay, top 3 keto diet tips. Minimize your carb consumption. Tip number 2, include coconut oil in your diet. And on each slide we have a call to action. So full diet meal plan in description. So people are gonna see this and they're gonna be clicking on our link. Okay, so these are our 3 tips that's gonna give a lot of value to our viewers, and potentially they're gonna click on the link in our description and purchase the actual product. Now what you can do, you can also add background music so people can hear something when they're watching this video. So you can head over to youtube.com and search something like free copyright background music, or and type something like copyright free background music. Then you can upload it and add it inside here. So once you have your background music, your video, your 3 tips, and your call to action, you can then download this video, okay, as a MP4 video. Download it. So now once it's done downloading, head over to your YouTube, click on this icon and click on upload video. And this is a very short video, so it should upload very fast. And click on select files and click on your video. Now we can optimize this video for search traffic. Now what you want to do is add a title, description, pick your thumbnail, and add keywords or tags. So for the title, add top 3 keto diet tips for weight loss with keto diet plan bonus, #shorts. Okay, so this is my title. I chose this title, and in the description I'm just going to copy the the keto diet meal plan. And I'm going to paste it inside here. And now what you want to do is copy your bit.ly link and click and paste it inside here. Excuse me. And now what you want to do is scroll down and add tags. So add something like keto diet tips. And tags like this relating to the keto diet and weight loss. Now scroll up, and once it's done processing, uploading everything, checking, pick a thumbnail. There's going to be 3 options. So the one you like, just pick that one and click on next. Now monetization, click on off. Okay, you don't have to have ads on this video. Next, and now you can click on public, and now you can publish this video. Now congratulations guys, you have published your first YouTube Shorts video, your first advertisement that's going to be sending traffic to your offer. Now, success doesn't come overnight. Obviously, you're going to have to stay consistent. So I recommend for you to upload 2 or 3 videos every single day. It takes like 2 minutes to create one, guys. Just as I showed you in this video, it took me like 2 minutes to create that video. So no excuses, post 3 videos every single day, add value, make sure to have a call to action on each of your videos, and consistently upload videos. Of course, some of them might go viral. Of course, some of them might get 5, 10, 15 views, but that doesn't matter, guys. Don't get frustrated if you have like 5 to 10 views. You have to stay consistent. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. And if you found value in this video, make sure to leave a like once again. And guys, one more thing. If you want to take this seriously and learn how to do CPA marketing full-time from home, then make sure to click the first link below this video. I'm going to leave my CPA Marketing Mastery course. It's a free traffic course, so you don't have to spend any money on ads when you buy my course. I'm going to show you all free marketing strategies. It's packed with value. I have tons of modules. So you can just scroll through the page, see what's inside, see what you're going to get. And if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job and do CPA marketing full-time, then click that link below this video. Enroll today because this is the best time to start. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.